What if the SUV you drive right now is secretly costing you more than your rent? Just not all at once. Because the real money killer isn't the monthly payment. It's the surprise repairs, the random warning lights, the "we need to keep it overnight" calls, the one part that turns into 5 parts, and suddenly your family SUV becomes a full-time wallet drain. But here's the good news. Not every SUV is built like that. Some SUVs are the kind you buy once and you keep seeing them years later with 250,000 miles, 350,000 miles, even 400,000 miles. Still starting every morning like nothing happened. Today, I'm counting down 9 SUVs that are famous for lasting forever when you do basic maintenance. I'll also share a quick rule for when an extended warranty is smart, and when it's basically donating money. And stay until the end, because I'll give you a bonus avoid list. 2 SUVs that can look amazing on the outside but become expensive headaches over time. Alright, let's get into it. Number 9, Subaru Outback. The Subaru Outback is the SUV for people who actually use their vehicle. Snow, rain, dirt roads, long trips. It just keeps going. What makes the Outback special is simple. Subaru's all-wheel drive is not an add-on. It's built into the whole system. That means the car is designed around it, not forced to work around it. Outbacks are known for lasting a long time with regular oil changes, basic service, and not ignoring small problems. If you want one that feels modern but still proven, look for model years where safety tech and reliability line up well. The Outback isn't the fastest SUV, but if your goal is buy once, drive forever, it's a strong start. Number 8, Toyota RAV4. There's a reason you see RAV4s everywhere. People don't buy them because they're flashy. People buy them because they're safe, efficient, and stubbornly reliable. The RAV4 is the type of SUV that can take daily driving abuse and still keep going. And here's the part most people forget. A reliable SUV doesn't just save repair money, it also protects resale value. Even after years, a RAV4 usually sells for real money. That means you're not just driving a car, you're holding value. If you want a reliable SUV that doesn't feel risky, the RAV4 is one of the safest bets in the entire market. Number 7, Acura RDX. Now let's talk about the smart luxury pick. The Acura RDX is perfect for people who want comfort, leather, quiet ride, but don't want the luxury repair bills. Because under the luxury badge, the RDX has a strong reputation for dependable engineering. It's like getting premium comfort without signing up for premium pain. And here's what makes it a hidden win. Used luxury SUVs usually drop in price fast, but the RDX often drops into a range where you're paying normal SUV money for a nicer SUV. If you want something that feels more premium but still reliable, the RDX deserves more attention than it gets. Number 6, Hyundai Santa Fe. 10 years ago, some people would laugh if you said Hyundai belongs on a drive forever list. Not anymore. The Santa Fe has become one of the smartest reliability buys. And one huge reason is peace of mind. Hyundai's long warranty reputation. Now, warranty alone doesn't make a car reliable, but it does change your risk. When something big happens early in ownership, you're not the one panicking. Santa Fe owners often talk about long-term use with basic maintenance. Oil changes, tires, brakes, and keeping up with service schedules. If you want a modern SUV with strong features, good comfort, and less fear factor, the Santa Fe can be a great long-term choice. Number 5, Lexus GX. If you want the SUV version of built like a tank, it's the Lexus GX. This is one of those vehicles that feels heavy, solid, and overbuilt. Because it basically is. The GX is famous for durability, and it's the type of SUV you still see running strong long after other luxury SUVs disappear. Is it perfect? No, it can drink fuel. It's not the most modern looking inside compared to newer rivals. But when people buy a GX, they usually buy it for one reason. They want something that refuses to die. And the resale value is strong because everyone knows what it is. If your goal is not best tech, but longest life, the GX is a serious choice. Number 4, Mazda CX-5. Here's the SUV for people who want reliability, but also want to enjoy driving. The Mazda CX-5 has a reputation for feeling more premium than most compact SUVs. The steering feels sharp, the ride feels controlled, and the interior often feels nicer than the price suggests. And long-term owners love one thing. It tends to stay out of the repair shop compared to many competitors. It's not the biggest SUV in the world. Rear space can be tighter than some rivals. But if you want a long-lasting SUV that doesn't feel boring every single day, the CX-5 is one of the best balanced choices. Number 3, Subaru Forester. The Subaru Forester is the quiet champion. It doesn't get the hype of luxury SUVs. It doesn't try to look aggressive. But it has a loyal fan base for one reason. It's dependable, practical, and great in bad weather. Foresters are common in places where winters are harsh, because owners trust them. And when a car is trusted in harsh conditions, that's usually a good sign. Here's the key with any long-term SUV. Don't ignore service. People who maintain their Forester properly tend to have a very long ownership story. If you want something simple, safe, and built for real life, the Forester belongs on this list. Number 2, Honda CR-V. The Honda CR-V is one of the best examples of boring in the best way. It's not trying to impress you with wild design. It's trying to be the SUV that starts every morning, drives smoothly, and doesn't ask for your money every 2 months. CR-V owners keep them for years because they don't create drama. And that's what drive forever really means. Also, because the CR-V is popular, parts and servicing are usually easier and more affordable compared to rare models. That matters long term. If you want a safe, strong, long-lasting SUV with great resale, the CR-V is a top-tier choice. Number 1, Toyota 4Runner. If there is one SUV that people genuinely believe will survive the end of the world, it's the Toyota 4Runner. This is not a soft SUV, it's old-school tough. It's the kind of vehicle you buy when you want real durability, and you don't care if the newest model has a giant screen that looks like a tablet. The 4Runner is famous for lasting a ridiculous amount of miles. You still see old ones on the road every day, and that's not luck, that's reputation. Yes, it's not the most fuel efficient, and yes, it can feel less modern than other SUVs. But if your goal is truly buy once, drive forever, this SUV is one of the strongest answers on earth. Here's the simple rule. If you're buying a proven reliable SUV from a reliable brand, and the vehicle has a clean history and good maintenance records, you usually don't need an expensive warranty. But if you're buying a used SUV with complicated tech, turbo systems, or unknown maintenance, a warranty can sometimes protect you, if the terms are real and the coverage is good. The truth is, the best warranty is still buying the right SUV. 2 SUVs that can drain your wallet. Quickly, this isn't hate, this is protection. Avoid pick 1, Jeep Wrangler. Certain years and builds. It's iconic, it's cool. But many owners report constant small issues. And small issues turn into big bills over time. If you love it as a weekend toy, fine. But as a drive forever daily SUV? Be careful, avoid pick 2. Ford Explorer, especially older 2010s models. Looks perfect on paper. Big, family-friendly, modern. But certain model years have a reputation for expensive problems that show up earlier than you'd expect. If you buy one, research the year carefully. So here's the real truth. The smartest SUV isn't the cheapest one, and it's not the flashiest one either. It's the one that stays reliable year after year, keeps your repair bills low, holds value, and lets you live your life without worrying about your car. Now I want to ask you, which SUV do you trust the most to last 10 to 15 years? Drop your answer in the comments. And if you want more buy smart, avoid regret car videos, subscribe to Top Lux Rides, well, it's because saving money is the new luxury.